So these two oils are our top of the range. They're both individual 100% varietal, and each year will vary based on seasonal conditions and the characteristic that variety's producing each year. But because they're the same variety, it'll be a similar style of intensity. The first one is Hojiblanca. The variety originates in Spain and has performed really, really well for us here in Australia. So we imported a mother tree, we've propagated up lots of other trees, and this has won more awards than any other variety for us, and has consistently won gold medals at the best international shows, trophies for best oil in show. It's a medium to lighter style extra virgin with a very complex nose and sort of creamy mouthfeel, and really goes well with almost anything, but particularly with desserts and lighter style dishes. And the other one is Picual, which is a variety that originates in Spain. It's a lot more intense, both in colour and intensity, and the pungency and bitterness. It's a tomato, bush, fruity type smell, and is a very famous variety, and is also a huge medal winner for us, an award winner. And these varieties these patches are chosen each year by our oil makers. They're picked a full month before we even start harvest, so that there's a lower percentage of oil and a higher percentage of antioxidants. The antioxidants give the oil all of its flavour, smell and health benefits. So because that ratio is high, because it's so early, and how we treat it, and within 1 hour of picking we're crushing it, we're maximising all that freshness of intensity. So the cost of production is quite a lot more because the oil's not in the fruit yet when we do it, or there's not as much, but that's done deliberately because we've got more of the stuff that gives us its flavour and smell.